길도 사르고도 다리 두고 가려는 건 nonsense. 버스존은 땅 아니야. 와 가오드닝 젤라 꼬니 주민도. 이거 와, that one is so pretty. 누구나. 와, did not do that. This guy. बस मुन्ने छाने शॉर्ट सारे अजी इसको तो दिखाने तो बोले इंद्रंग तो बेरा कौन में शू ओके कोटी को शाश तो आज तो जोगी maybe I'll show up with this. Oh my god. 네, 지다. 망고 두살은 두주면도. 바슬레레샤. 신주된데 양 배시 좀 왔다야 술다. Whoa. How big is this thing? Bro. Is this even a heart? I'm gonna have to do that at the airport.
Next stop, Zurich Airport.
Oh my god, 단전 하zu. My shuffle just played that. I like your shirt. Excuse me?
Yeah.
I like your shirt.
Thank you very much.
Oh my god, what a fitting song. If you know, you know. 건부대다. 아니, 건부 제시들이 땅아 내 포기한데 오라. 건부장이 나를 섬기고. Zig naman 건부장이었어. 알리네 뭐 어디 싫어요 먹어요. 뭐 사야죠? 뭐 사? 그냥 뭐 사요? 건부도 큰 거겨워요. 어떡해. 왜 눈이 망했어요?
I come back and you say me it's tired.
Sorry?
Au personnel de l'aéroport.
This was the package. And this is what came out. Baggage came in 24 minutes, so she's gonna be another at least 30 minutes. I have everything in this pouch. Kuwa doji da da. 신박한데 쓰는 거 되는 건데 거짓말. Hand sanitizer, of course. We have wipes, plastic bag just in case. I'm not gonna open that. Cotton swab and 엄청나 귀에 a rollerball. Some matches, lotion, big hair tie, eye drops, hair oil, a gum, a mini lip gloss, girl stuff. Oh my god, I messed up. A pin, just in case. 그리고 민바라. 어머 당겼으면 나 엔딩 망고도 a hair net. I died. Let's go. Thailand to though. I feel like 6. 통이다. 점점이야. 저 전부 온들리도 like I feel like I know what it will be. A Tide to go pen, hair ties, a little perfume, milkshake, a paint pen, or marker, deodorant spray just in case anyone needs that, wipes, suture, more bags, sour candy. Yeah. 지라카시 또 임봐. 전부 단내 있네 여기. 시당됐어. I can't believe how this is here. Yeah. It's always smart to test on the surface you're not writing on, especially because paint has to come down to the bottom. 간대 제가. Rub. Can you see? 근데 되나? How do I hold this? Is that her? Oh my god, my back. My back. 알자.
I made it home. Sick. I knew I tasted something nasty.
Oh my god, I didn't bring kata.
Whoa, it spins. Ready? Spin. Spin. Hold on.
가 통기다.
Yeah, look at me. I feel like if you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex, you don't talk about. If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex,
If I accidentally call you Tinga, I'm sorry.
bro, there's no way it's that simple. He's a boy, I'm a girl.
Thank you. Thank you. Anna and Simone. Oh my god, this is such a pretty pink. Hi. Yeah. Dang it. Oh my god, I love this color.
Just want to check on you guys. Everything went well.
Yeah. What?
trying to sound like you. I'm not loud.
Oh, you wanna play this game?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you are me my friend. Okay, let's play this game. I'll say a word, then you copy me.
Okay.
Actually, that's a one.
That's good. I swear I'm doing good right now.
Okay, say this.
Okay, say this. Hello. Hello. It does not sound like me. Hi, Ja.
Hi.
Mac and cheese. Zega.
Zega. Oh, I feel like I sound more like Jojo than you.
That does sound like Jojo.
Say something.
Lip.
Lip. That was
You
better.
make me sound. You have beautiful eyes.
Say it normally.
You have beautiful eyes.
You have beautiful eyes. Are you just trying to get me to say you have beautiful eyes?
No, I was just saying to you. This is my last try. Can we say it one more time?
What do you want to do today? What do you want to do today?
Exactly how you brought.
Wow.
See? There you go with it again.
Wine tasting? Cheers. I'm gonna wine tasting.
We're going a little crazy tonight. Ooh, Mama's gonna be a little tipsy. On this corner, and I wrote a poem like pretending that I was a soldier going to war from Attack on Titan.
Like your Elvis?
What's your favorite?
You want to open this before the food?
Wait, why are you actually so cute? Okay, what should I do first? You have to give me an idea. I'm gonna do this one because it's closest to me and it feels right.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna do the first place trophies because I'm just goated.
It's a good place to start.
For the record holder of pigs in the most first place trophies.
Wait, I have something else that goes with that.
Bill? I'm gonna guess what it is. It's a paper. It's a card.
It's a card?
It's a money.
Then
It felt like paper.
What kind of paper?
I don't know.
You should did it, okay?
Wait, I want to keep this. Yo,
제가 했어.
okay, it's okay. Okay, can you keep this?
Okay.
Don't throw it away. I can put it back together.
And here's a gift that goes with that.
Oh, it smells good. Oh, study planner. Thank you so much. LHATSO. That was one too. Oh, wait, that's so tough.
From Korea.
Yeah, but we want it in Korea.
The one and only. That's so awesome.
Cho là lulu cho người ta.
Okay, I think I'm doing a better job of opening these papers, huh? Fair skin. Okay, I'm so excited to use this. I really needed makeup. This is perfect.
I feel like it might be a little light for summer, but
Oh, yeah.
We'll see.
I'm getting dark. This feels like...
Yeah, you're gonna get dark out.
Socks.
you were telling Mama you need socks.
Oh my god! My only love.
What is that? I don't
The
even
one and only.
remember.
I met someone named Interrupted and it made me so mad. Because he didn't have aura at all.
LHATSO, that's Rita, isn't it? Pretty sure.
No, I love Rita. No, I'm glad that we should.
The kid that stayed at Somo Chunju's
I
house?
love Rita.
Oh.
It was somebody else, and I was so mad. Because he's not using the name properly. Okay, I'm gonna frame that one. Oh my god, it's my goat! Oh. Guys, this is literally me.
This you?
After I go to the gym with Acha and Chacha. This is me this summer. It's happening. Best for last. For shimmy. I'm gonna go like this. Oh, honey oil. Ooh. Oh my goodness, Rome end. I'm so excited to wear all these makeup.
The British accent.
Hair accessories? Oh, very interesting, very interesting.
Wow.
Suit me? I love you, velvet lips. Hair pot. We'll see how I feel about it. I'm very nervous.
LHATSO's watching carefully. Gonna do next. What is LHATSO gonna do next?
Bilbo. Hot ball.
What? How is that possible? Huh?
Where did that come from? Barcelona? Wait, guys, wait. Because the camera's real clean. Wait. For who?
We're all going, all three of us.
Really? But how did you do this? We must burn her. You're a witch.
The sweater?
Oh, yeah. Wait, I'm so excited.
And one could say, this guy that you asked us to open for you.
Oh, can I see him? Oh, he's so cute though.
Nonchalant. Like the OG Hollister pants.
Yeah. I haven't seen everybody talking about them.
Those.
Yeah.
And then somebody, your mother.
A little shattered, a little broken.
And then this guy.
Oh, he's so cute! His ears look kind of clipped. Oh my god!
It's not a tongue.
I know, but it looks like what you did. I should really just.
We slept in it since we got back from Korea to, like, so it can absorb the love. And then now you take it back home and sleep with it. Thank you. You're welcome. Mommy?
Mamacita.
But it's the left one.
I just. Skibbity dum dum dum. Yes, skibbity dum dum. Turn around. Are you ready? Start. Yeah, first word we'll say water. Water.
Water? Okay.
No, there. Wait, say it again. Water.
Water.
Okay, again. We'll do dirt. Asham. Okay, go. Let him go, Asham.
Dirt.
That. We'll do hair.
Pear.
Hair. I'm gonna turn down the volume. I think it'll be easier for you guys. Let's try it one more time, Acha. Cause then I think I can sense it. You know, maybe it's that. Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry.
no, mama. Dongba 아시다가 item is me. Grab something.
야야야야야 니네 친구랑 사슬라고 니네 친구 제가라고
니라시네 디노 그래 암득이 식스 자다고 동이 오케이 난 얘 배우고다
Okay.
응
춘주가 니식을 했어
진짜로 니식 마마 사서 진짜로 니식을 사서 저시라 뭐 말해
제가라고 하더니
Lucky.
무슨
너 춘주가 들아 구실 가돌라 템버시데 제가 템버시는 하면서 구실 가돌라는 구주성기 해치가 들아 니만이 시가올리 마스나 소리 비르디 치는 거 도무지 춘주가 들아 짜가지 고치 마리나 라스라 you feel like annoyed 유신님을 도무지 암라 딘제만나다 이거 제일 디야 언제나 빼야
춘주 제가 뭐다 가를 나와요 커브로 깡받다 삐삐삐삐삐는 담았어야지 사서 가지 팔 칠로라 돌아 나주라 엔체도 돌아 야 친이 여마라 엔 디샤샤 텐도 샤샤라 주 내가 너무 왔다 근데 클릭 떠이라 아따라 하지
你就是你水等我什么人家的啦？你话这些人家的，啊，这想不干什么呢？啊，怎么来？啊，这想不。不一定是这些。
他做
OK，大家。
啊，
搞不定你是啥子来着？
阿占了三。
Doji definitely.
不行了，2岁了，两个都记得下来。
Doji and then who? Doji and then Doji 나치자가 and then me and then Gesa. No, I think it's wait, no guys. I think it goes Doji, 아치자가, and then me and Gesa are tied. I think.
因为你是他带人，现在你的门市他是这个当的。
I'm getting off scotch free. You're scotch
他
free.
是他们你的话当我们的他是谁做的？